Excellent hotel. Staff were extra accommodating to our needs. We had a young baby traveling with us. The room is clean and spacious, and location is excellent if you need to leave early in the morning like us. It's a must. Overnight transit convenience. Was catching an early flight the next morning, so stayed at this hotel, which is walking distance to my departure gate. Happy with the room and staff service. Facility is awesome. Easy access to Haneda Airport, staff is very kind, and facilities is awesome. Easy need to rest before or after a long flight. This is your spot. Amazing runaway view. Had a room which had an amazing view of the planes, and it wasn't that noisy. Room was clean, spacious, and even had a bathtub. Water pressure from the shower head was really powerful. Had many restaurants in the airport to choose from for dinner. Only issue was the entrance was right at the end of Terminal 2, so had to walk a bit to get to the hotel. Good stay for transit, very good. Super smooth and convenient stay. We stayed here as we had an early connecting flight. The hotel was fantastic and staff were super helpful. They had set up the room with a cot for our son, and the front desk had a lot of amenities which saved me having to unpack our giant suitcase. Would definitely stay again. Convenient, very convenient location, clean, rooms not too small. A stay before the flight home. It was a very pleasant stay. The room was very good size and comfortable. Would stay there again. Deal breaker to stay before your flight. We had a night to stay before the domestic flight to Sapporo. In the Haneda terminal right above flight registration desks. Amazing views to the airport. Clean, large rooms. Especially important for those who have all Nippon flights. No need to waste time, straight to the airport from lobby. Great location, had early morning flight, so was exceptional and easy for the final evening of our trip. Exceptional, highly recommended. Great location if you will be flying domestically in Japan. Perfect place to stay. Overnight stay. This hotel was convenient and absolutely wonderful. We only did an overnight stay, but the hotel definitely made us want to stay longer. It was well kept, modern, and comfortable. The breakfast was also delicious and satisfying. Hotel excellent. Hotel is super convenient, located in Terminal 2. Staff, facilities and comfort first class. Highly recommend Haneda Excel Hotel.